Hey guys, in this video I'm going to introduce the newest one, Frontal. It's because of the lace color. So I will introduce that one for you. But firstly, I would like to remind you, in my previous video, I show you guys about two types of lace frontal. One is the fuller density, the full volume lace frontal. One is the full volume lace frontal, and one is the standard density, standard volume lace frontal, which is this one is medium brown lace. This one is light lace. We called it light lace in that video. So if you don't know which video I am talking about, so you can ask me. I can send you the link. But in that video, I show you a lot of lace frontal and different texture. So this one is the light lace. We call it light lace full volume frontal. If you like the full volume, you can purchase this one, light lace. Of course, this one is the highest price. We sell very well because of the volume. And this one is the standard density, standard volume. Medium brown lace is the medium brown lace. All of them are very best quality hair material. I show you the lace color. This one, the full volume lace frontal, the lace color. You can see my skin color. This one is the lace color. This one. This one is the medium brown lace. Medium brown lace. I will put them together to show you the difference. This one. This is lighter, a little bit lighter. This one is a little bit lighter. Full volume is a little bit lighter than the medium brown lace. But this is not my point in this video. The point in this video is I'm going to show you the newest one, the standard density. The newest one is the lightest lace. The lightest lace is the standard density. Pay attention, please. The standard density. The lace is very, very light, like this one. See, this lace is people call it transparent, but before we didn't have this lace. This one is the newest one we have now. Before we didn't have this lace. This one is the newest one we have now. Before the light lace we sell is this one. It's the full volume one. Before the light lace we sell is the full volume one, the lace color, this one. So I will compare with this lace color, and you can see, of course, this one is the much lighter. This one is much lighter lace. This one is a full volume one, the lace color. So you compare this one. This one is much lighter, the lightest one. I will put my hand here. As you can see, now you can see the difference is quite a little bit. Yes, you can see the difference now. So this the newest one. The newest one is the lightest lace one, the lightest lace. So this one is let me shake it. This one is the light lace. Before we sell this one light lace, the full volume hair. This one because of the full volume hair. So pay attention, please. The selling point for this one is the light lace and the full volume one. This one. So now this one is the newest one. It's the standard density. But the lace color is the lightest. The lace color is the lightest. When I shake the hair, I'm sure you can see the volume, the different density. This one, and this one. So of course we have medium brown lace. Of course we have medium brown lace. So now people will ask me which one to choose when they purchase the hairs. So I will tell you, if you like the full volume hair, you can go for this one, the light lace full volume one. Of course, it's the highest price. If people like the lightest lace, you can go for this new one, but it's the standard density. It's the standard density, this one. The lace is the lightest. And this medium brown lace, also the standard density, this one. So do you have three choices? You have three choices. Medium brown lace, standard density. Fuller volume hair, light lace. This people call it, because people have different calling, light lace or light brown, or light lace. This full volume hair, this one. And this one is the standard density. The lace is the lightest one. This is the new one we have now. Now we only have straight and body wave for the lightest lace. It's the new one we have now. So you have three choices. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.